Hey guys, we're out here today in Imperial, Pennsylvania at DRB's newest development in neighborhood. We have Kristen Flora here with DRB Homes, the lead sales rep, to show us this brand new property. It's one of the first homes up in this neighborhood and we are so excited to show it to you today. Come on inside.
Let's take a look. Okay, coming into the main area, you come into the foyer area with the steps going to the second floor. We have a dining room right off the foyer with your kitchen right off the dining room. And then also right across, we also have a space for an office. Okay, coming into the main kitchen area, this is an eat-in kitchen with upgraded cabinets, quartz countertop. We also have stainless steel appliances with gas range, microwave, and also dishwasher. Okay, then looking into your family room area, we have large 6-foot windows. You have a lot of natural light coming into this room. And this is your main entertainment space for your couches, your television, which looks right into your kitchen. Okay, coming off the family room, we move into the flex area, which this is a nice spacious room with the 9-foot ceilings. You can use this as an office, a playroom, anything that fits your daily needs. Okay, coming into the primary bedroom, we do have some upgrades like the tray ceiling with LED lighting ahead above, and then walking into the owner's bathroom as well. In the owner's bath, you have an upgraded tile shower with seat and glass door, and then you'll also walk through your bathroom into your walk-in closet. In addition to the owner's suite, we also have 3 other bedrooms, giving a total of 4 bedrooms in this home. And then we also have the laundry room on the second floor for convenience. Coming in from your 2-car garage, we have a finished mudroom area with storage. And you walk into the large 2-car garage with tons of room for storage in the back.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us today, guys.
Contact me soon. Come in, take a look at our home sites and our newest floor plans here at the Abbey.